Morning, everybody. Happy Monday or Tuesday, not Monday. I hope you all had a good 3 day weekend. We were able to do some fun stuff. It was pretty nice out for the most part. Um, so today and the rest of this week and next week, actually, our last 2 weeks of school, we're going to be working on our summative. You started last week. You should have all the research done, and now your task is to complete either option number one or option number two. So that's basically all we are going to be doing this week. I'll be making, putting up directions still and kind of other resources to help you. But to summarize what we're doing, it's just completing our summative these 2 weeks. So our learning objective is I can effectively research someone that inspires me and create a research presentation on them or express myself by creating a piece of artwork. So that's, remember, your two options are to create your own art or a research presentation. So first, watch this video, then complete the Tuesday discussion by clicking here. There's 2 questions today. Number 3, complete your research reflections if you have not yet. Remember, you need 3 of those total. They're going to be in last week's folder. If you want me to send them to you, though, I can email you, or email me and I can email them back to you if you can't find them. And then view the Northview Renaissance resources if you have not yet. If you still need to complete your 3 research reflections. So like if you have not been able to find somebody yet, or still need more information on how to find people, there's a folder right here, which you can click on. I'll show you. I added more stuff to it, so there's other people. So this is examples for and help for number 1, option number 1, creating your own artwork. Then there's a Tupac stuff. There's a few more spoken words that you can watch and use these people as one of your 3 research reflections. And then there's a few like painters, illustrators, graffiti artists in here that you can use as well. So this is just more resources. Look, there's all kinds of people here. So if you're struggling finding people, don't stress. You can use these people. All right. So other than that, just work on your summative. Remember, you need to choose either option number 1 or option number 2. So this is the link for option number 1. This is the link for option number 2. Number 1 actually has like the slides you can type on and stuff, but option 2 is just directions on how to create your research presentation. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll probably make an example research presentation to show y'all too, even though I have directions in there. But yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope this is making a little more sense. I know it was confusing last week, but you're just choosing an option. You need 3 people total, 1 person for your final project. Okay. And yeah, I think that's it for today. So just let me know if you have questions, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.